boots up and I set it up, let me give you a configuration overview. This Mi A2 Lite is having a 5.84-inch Full HD Plus screen in the 19:9 aspect ratio. It's powered with the Snapdragon 625 chipset, which is an octa-core processor. It comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. Moving to the camera, it has a dual rear-facing camera. The main camera is a 12MP with f2.2 lens, and the secondary camera is a 5MP again at f2.2. The front-facing camera is a 5MP at f2.0. It has a 4000 mAh battery, and it also has a fingerprint scanner.